Hey, Wendy here, just doing a short video. The next 3 or 4 days is going to be rainy, a lot of rain. As I'm driving, I'm seeing, the roads are really bad. Creeks are up, ditches are up, water is standing everywhere, and this is just the first day. Anyway, just showing, and it's clear for us to see who are awake, these fake clouds that are covering the real skies. It's just unbelievable. But anyway, water is literally standing everywhere. It's hard for me to get it while I'm trying to drive. But yeah, tornadoes, Nashville, Tennessee. It's just hard to believe that more people, are not waking up to this and don't know that this weather is controlled and is being used as a weapon against us. And that the clouds, the skies are not real. They're doing everything and anything they can to make sure that we don't get the sun that we must have for our bodies, vitamin D, and for food and everything else. Making sure that we don't have okay, well, just doing a short video. I hope you all have a blessed day and stay safe in this crazy, messed up, satanic, evil world. Lord, 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 that we live in. Take care for now. Bye for now.